It's time for laughs, it's time for fun, it's time to learn for everyone at Nana's Cooking Craft Corner.
Hello, my little cupcakes, and welcome back. Ho, ho, ho! It's that time of year, and we're getting ready to show you something cool. This is a little snowman charm. So let's get started. Okay, I'm going to start off with a white polymer clay. And we're going to form the shape of the snowman. So I'm going to like round. There's the black, or white, sorry, the white. I'm going to make this one long and narrow because that's going to be the brim around the head as I go. Okay, so then we're going to take a little more black, soften the clay. Now this is going to be more square shaped. What do I do? I'll move this down here so you can see it in the camera. So. I'm going to make this a little bit, I did one already. This might look a little bit different, but that's okay because I wanted something different. I think I'm going to put some lines in this one. I think I kind of like that idea. A little bit of red. And I did a video that I'll attach. It's a bigger flower, but it's basically the same. And I'm going to attach that video at the end of this film to it because it shows how to do a flower. But this one's going to be a lot tinier flower than I'm going to do. So you're going to take like 5 little matching size balls. Another one. Let's see. Okay. Attach a video at the end. It's a bigger flower, but it's nonetheless the same kind of way what I did. I'm gonna go use the ball tool and just put, and I'm gonna go do this, just a little bit of pointy tool, sorry, the needle tool, and I'm gonna just make a little, it's Sculpey's Bakeable Adhesive for Oven Clay, and I'm going to use just a touch because this stuff is wonderful. Once it's baked, the stuff stays really connected quite well. I shall put my sequence on the center. Now I'm going to add a little bit of leaf to this. So I'll take the red out of the way, and I got some green here, right here, and right here. And I'm going to, instead of just one line, I'm going to put a couple lines in the leaf part of it, like that. Cool. And then we're going to come down with the needle tool and see it. Here, or here. Try so it stays together. There, that's good. And I'm going to bring back my snowman. That is going to bind it really well. Alright, I'm going to use again just a touch for the corner here because I want the stuff to stay. Now we're over here. And, yeah. Just cut a little bit, and I'll let this separate first. Put in there. Oh, and that looks pretty awesome. So the next thing I'm going to do is the nose. Move this to the side, just so you can see it right there. Curve it up like a carrot. I come across with lines on it. I'm going to put glue and attach the nose with, again, this glue. My little nose. And let's make the cutest mouth. Okay, so we're going to be careful. Now I'm going to turn this around. I'm going to put the hook in here. So I have to make a little hole. There's the little screw I'm going to use. That I use for charms. I use the same stuff. I'm going to put this in the center of the hat. So I got that for, we're going to bake this, and I'll show you what I'm going to do after it's baked. Okay, so I'm going to take my pink pastel color. I use a paintbrush to scrape it a bit, pick a little bit of it up, and put a little bit of coating on both sides of the cheeks. It just came out of the oven. The last thing we're going to do is glaze it. Now, to make it handy for me, I made this little hook out of a paper clip so you can just hang it on. So I'm going to use that. Put it through. Okay, and I use Sculpey. There's a satin and a glaze finish. I'm using the gloss glaze, but there is a satin one. I'm going to put at least 2 to 3 coats, depending on what it looks like, to seal this all over. So just thought I'd show you and give you some ideas. That was my first charm. It's a little different. They will never be identical because it's handmade, but I put it on a necklace because I think it's a little bit too big for earrings. However, it's big enough. I'm going to make this one into an ornament. So I thought this would be cute hanging up on the Christmas tree or giving them away as little gift tags on top of gifts. So that's the ideas I got for you. And there's so many more things you can do with this. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up, like, comment, subscribe. To all my subscribers, I want to wish you a Merry Christmas, and we'll see you soon.